Hey there, friends, family, and neighbors. It's Mr. Rogers, your neighborhood car guy, here once again at McConnell Chevrolet here in Healdsburg, California, the heart of Sonoma County wine country. Wanted to go over this little gem we got here. 2015 Silverado 3/4 ton crew cab, long bed. It's towing machine. It is the LTZ, so it has all the goodies. Has very low miles. It's, I want to say 30,000 and some change. You got the running boards, the full chrome appearance package. So the running boards are chrome, door handles around the windows, and then the chrome mirror caps on the extending trailer mirrors there. The top is power glass, the bottom is manual. Let's come around. This vehicle has a lot of aftermarket extras. You have the work box in the back there. It does have the gooseneck setup, and then the tailgate for the gooseneck fifth wheel. It does have the backup camera setup. We do have both tailgates, so if you want to put the original tailgate back on, you can do that. It has the parking sensors in the bumper. Of course, you have your full tow package. Both light setups there. You have the steps in the bumper. You have the elongated posts, so you can fit your hand to hoist yourself up when you step in the corner step there. Polished aluminum wheels and some more knobby off-road tires. It is four-wheel drive. It has the lighter interior. It is the LTZ, so you have the nice wood trim. Navigation, heated and cooled seats. You have all your pedal adjustments, exhaust brakes, lane keep, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats. You have the trailer brakes right there. As I said, four-wheel drive. Rear sliding window. The leather seats, looks like no one's ever sat in them. 39,000 miles on this bad boy. It is loaded to the gills. You do have the Bose surround sound system, collapsible mirrors, presets for your seats, easy exit, so you can set the seat all the way back, so when you turn off the vehicle it reclines all the way. Of course, you have the 8-way power seat on either side. You have the head curtain airbags, the airbags in the seat, and the two in the dash. Plenty of options to go over with you. You have your garage door presets there. You have the setup for the rear slider. Of course, your OnStar that you get free for a month when you purchase the vehicle. It's got the deep cubby hole there. Center console, it's very deep, has the edges on the sides there for hanging file folders. Don't forget, this has the 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot that you can set up in this truck, so you can work right out of your truck, hook up the laptop and do estimates. This truck is the complete package. It is the crew cab long bed, which is very hard to find. Low miles on a fully loaded Duramax LTZ, the 2015, which is the body style that went all the way till 2019. It has it all. Beautiful truck. Come on down, check it out, take it for a spin. Let's send you home in it. 1395 Healdsburg Avenue here in Healdsburg, California. Find out why we're Sonoma County's best kept secret. We'll see you guys soon.